Welcome to Royal Master Grinders booth 6626 at the IMTS 2018. We are proud to present to you the latest accomplishments of our engineering and application specialist team. More importantly, we are anxious to hear feedback from you on what your application challenges are. Whether you can visit in person or visit our virtual booth online, we are thankful for your interest in our equipment. Royal Master Grinders is presenting many new developments in centerless grinding capabilities. We have machines on the floor with wheels spinning, coolant flowing, and parts grinding. As you approach our booth, you will find us just left of center in the north building. Our diamond plate floor sets us apart from others with an image of real grinders in the real world. Here on this floor, we are grinding parts, not just talking about it. So stop in and let's talk about your grinding applications. Let's walk through the booth together and I will show you what we have brought for you to see. Starting at the right front corner, you will see 8 machines, each of them under power and performing live demonstrations of their capabilities. Grinding or measuring parts to close tolerance, some with full automation. Near the center of our booth is our interactive customer screen kiosk with video and solid models drawings of automation possibilities to fit your needs. There are several monitors running continuous videos of our grinders in action. We have an accessory table to show you actual machine components to help make your project more productive. Across the booth, you will find our hospitality station to sit and discuss what it is that brought you here. Walking up to the first machine, you will see our model TG12x8. This machine is demonstrating the machine's ability to through-feed grind at a high rate of throughput, 8,000 parts per hour. This machine is equipped with our 4-handle sizing dial with 1/10 indicator for ram bed position control. The dovetails are hard chrome plated with tersite coating. This machine has a multi-grit vitrified bond CBN wheel for extended life of the wheel and is dressed with an over-the-wheel dresser. This machine is a low-cost option for wider wheel and larger diameter part grinding. The parts are delivered to the machine with the CDS Life Manufacturing step feeder. The operator with bulk load parts into the belt conveyor hopper. The hopper feeds parts to the step feeder. The step feeder orients and delivers parts to the V conveyor. The feed system maintains a constant flow of parts at a rate of 200 inches per minute. Moving over to the left, you will see a machine with our full enclosure and a robotic feed and gauge system. This machine is our most complete in the line of Bedrock Series grinders. This is a model TG12x4 high accuracy centerless grinder. Here we are showing a granite bed, CNC ram bed positioning, CNC wheel dressing on both wheels, robot loading and unloading from pallet trays, and a kiosk gauge system to monitor and control part size. Here, 2 parts at a time are loaded, ground, unloaded, cleaned, gauged, and palletized into a multi-tier pallet system. The new machine hood is available on all Bedrock Series grinders, including the TG12x8. Turn to your right and walk towards the back center of the booth. You see our model TG12x4 with high accuracy ram bed and our new machine controls and interface. The new machine controls provide a large 24-inch diagonal touchscreen HMI. The new menu screen shows each machine function as a selectable tile. The operator has options to customize the user interface and display 3 active screens simultaneously. Thanks to technology advances, the new controller is faster and easier to navigate. We are set up to in-feed grind a multi-diameter fluid control valve. The tolerance for diameter, roundness, and surface finish are extremely tight. We have a bolt action part loader to assist the operator in delivering the part between the wheels. When the grind is complete, the ram bed retracts and the part drops off the blade into a catch pan. A sweep cylinder extends and delivers the fresh ground part back to the operator for retrieval and inspection. From here, we walk back to the jobber machine. The machine gets its name because it is equipped to be low cost and fully capable of most any grind application that comes its way. It is what you would see in a centerless grind job shop. This is our TG12x4 with a servo cycle for ram bed positioning. This is convenient and accurate for both through feed and in-feed grinding. We use a servo motor and ball screw to position the ram bed. The touchscreen operator interface can recall in-feed grind cycle parameters, make size adjustments, control part feeders, etc. The outboard bolt action loader is universal for many different part geometries. Here we use it to load a headed part into the wheels. Straight wheels and blade for in-feed grinding the shank. After the grind, the part drops off the blade and is swept back to the operator for retrieval. A micrometer part stop is used to position the part in the wheels. Next to the jobber machine is our accessories table. Here we have some cutaway components allowing you to see and touch some of the inner workings of our grinder. You can really get hands-on and examine the components, turn them upside down, examine the new regulating wheel servo drive system, or whatever sparks your curiosity. Look at the spindles on the TG12x4 and the TG12x8. Examine the difference between the micrometer stop and the ejector stop. Now turn left and walk along the main aisle. Here we are grinding a fluted endodontic file from a spool of raw material. This is our model Gen X Cube with a reduced footprint and new enclosure. The machine is like our original Gen X, but with the addition of a fully programmable fourth axis system. The fourth axis wheel is for grinding intricate profile features like helical grooves, ring grooves, points, bumps, and flaps. The footprint of this machine has been reduced significantly with the integration of the coolant filter and spool feeder below the base of the grinder. The machine enclosure contains all coolant and moving parts. This full part profile is ground and cut to length in one work holding in about 60 seconds, depending on the part profile. This machine is completely automatic. It has CNC wheel dressing. It has two independent slideways, one for each grind zone. It has a coolant filter. It is available with an enclosure and a mist collection air filter. Raw material can be fed automatically from a spool. The new Royal Master Generation X Cube puts an end to the multi-operation process of producing complex part profiles. This is a single machine with capabilities to generate each of these features in a part with just one work holder. Okay, let's turn left and walk across the center of the booth to the other side. This machine is the Royal Master Centerless Grinder model TG12x8. We are hand loading the part into the formed wheels and a profiled work rest blade. The 1.5-inch diameter part is ground on two diameters with a large diameter head which remains unground. The grinding wheel form is dressed with a single point diamond traversing in an over-the-wheel template profile. The regulating wheel is also dressed with a template trace and a single point diamond. These wheel dressers use a motor drive with ball screw automatic traverse. The ram bed position control is our high accuracy system with motor and encoder increments of 4/millionths of an inch or 1/10 of a micron. The movement is over frictionless cross rollerways. The model TG12x8 is available in in-feed, through feed, as well as high accuracy and CNC versions. This machine has a part grind capacity of 3 inches or 75 millimeters in diameter. It offers a grinding wheel diameter of 12 inches or 300 millimeters and a regulating wheel diameter of 8 inches or 205 millimeters. Both wheels are 8 inches wide. The 8-inch diameter regulating wheel allows for closer tolerance with larger diameter work. The grinding wheel spindle design has 3 sets of Class 7 ABEC angular contact Timken bearings inside a larger headstock with an outboard self-centering bearing set for a twin grip design. The granite bed forms a perfect platform for such a robust spindle design. The entire ram bed swivels with the work rest holder to simplify adjustments and changeovers. Looking to the left, we see our next machine. This is the Royal Master Grinders model TG12x4 centerless grinder set up to through-feed grind. The machine is hand-loaded but has an exit side collection ramp and bulk collection container. This makes it convenient for one person to continuously load parts to the grinder for mid to high volume production. The ram bed position control has our upgrade option of a ball screw with step motor. The pulse generator dial allows for fine adjustment in increments of 10 millionths of an inch. The glass scale encoder displayed gives real position of the ram bed as it moves over dovetail and gift. This is a low-cost machine option, and yet it will hold a 1/10 diameter tolerance. Positioned near the TG12x4 through-feed grinder is our part profile laser measurement gauge. The primary purpose of this gauge system is to measure the diameter profile of a guide wire. This gauge is part of our Bedrock series of machines with its granite bed for thermal stability and rigidity. The gauging process is an automated collection of data points by pulling the part through a LaserLink brand laser micrometer head while it is attached to a Parker high-speed linear servo motor table. The diameter data collection is by way of a dual-axis reading for redundancy and verification. There are no lighting or pixel issues to deter the accuracy as with optical style data collection. The result is accurate measurements with intelligent analysis in a simple to use tool. Along the back of the display is a hospitality seating area and the engineering and automation station. The seating area is a place to sit and rest your feet. We can look over your part drawings and discuss how you want to go about the grind. We can look over some past projects and see the solid models of feeders or videos of the team where a similar job was delivered. Some of the monitors will be running videos of grinders with loaders in action. Some of the monitors are set up with real solid model projects to look at in the greatest detail. This is to provide you with a visualization of what we can do to make your grinding application more productive. No smoke and mirrors, no hearsay. Actual footage and proof is in this booth. As we look back around the booth, we see that we have visited each of the grinders. Some of the grinders have a display monitor running a video with a story to tell of the part we are grinding. Come and see for yourself how far machine controls have come in 2018. Many of the machines can connect to the internet and allow remote monitoring with either network cable or wireless internet connection to a PC or smartphone. The two-way communication between man and machine is made possible. Royal Master has developed the Advanced Machine Optimization app, or AMO app, for connecting to the grinder and viewing usage reports. The status report can be organized to collect the data of use to the process supervisor. Display parts complete the percentage with percentage complete. Report uptime efficiency with reason for downtime, or any other report you want to create. This status reporting can be sent manually or automatically, perhaps hourly, using email or log in with the AMO app. By remote access, we mean to or automatically from your shop floor desk, office computer, home computer, or smartphone anywhere in the world. Our intention for your visit to our booth this year is to enlighten you to what Royal Master Grinders has been up to hear what you have been up to, and hopefully find that we can get together to become more productive in centerless grinding. Wheels turning, coolant flowing, and stock removal. How many other centerless grinders are doing that at IMTS? For more information on this product and for an evaluation of how it might benefit your grind application, contact Royal Master Grinders at www.royalmaster.com.